The two-handed maple syrup tubing tool is a staple for those in the maple syrup production sector. Constructed from durable steel, it features dual handles that facilitate the fitting installation process on the maple syrup tubing. Its design incorporates a sharp blade for precise cuts and a threaded insert for securing fittings. When juxtaposed with its single-handed counterpart, this tool stands out for its enhanced efficiency. The dual-handle design enables easier cutting and threading, reducing the time spent on the task. Additionally, it significantly lowers the chances of damaging the tubing during the process. Suitable for standard tubing sizes such as 3/16" and 5/16", it's a game-changer for those aiming to streamline sap collection from maple trees. The Klein Tool's rechargeable safety lamp with magnet is a vital tool for enhancing visibility in varied environments, especially where auditory signals may be drowned out. This red LED safety lamp shines brightly in both busy areas and under extreme lighting conditions. Notably, it seamlessly attaches to Klein tools, hard hats, safety helmets, or any magnetic surface, making it versatile for different tasks. The lamp boasts 4 modes, catering to user preferences and ensuring maximum functionality, whether you need pulsing or constant light, in high or low settings. Charging is also hassle-free with the provided USB-C cable, ensuring an impressive battery life of up to 52 hours on its low setting. The Makita 18-volt brushless compact 76mm cutoff. SAW DMC300 stands out as a top-tier tool for diverse cutting jobs. Powered by a brushless motor, it impressively clocks up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, suitable for slicing through metal, plastic, and even masonry. Its compact design, coupled with an ergonomic handle, ensures not just efficiency, but also comfort during prolonged use. Key features include the forward-reverse rotation for adaptability, a dust blower that maintains a clear workspace, and a safety-enhancing anti-kickback mechanism. Also, blade changes are simplified with its detachable guard. While it may come at a higher price point, its robust build promises longevity, justifying the investment. Matco's random orbital palm sander is a top-tier tool tailored for professionals, yet suitable for DIY enthusiasts. With its 3/16" random orbit action, it ensures a flawless finish. Notable features include an integrated wrist support, reducing user fatigue, and a unique low-noise muffler design for quieter operation. Durability is enhanced by its composite motor housing, double-sealed bearing, and Kevlar-infused rotor blades. Moreover, the precision balance pad significantly diminishes vibration. While it's an investment given its price, the impeccable build and longevity justify the cost. If in search of premium quality, this Matco sander is an excellent pick, but those budget-conscious might explore other options. The BLACK+DECKER Martillo SDS plus 1,250 watts stand out as a formidable hammer drill, suitable for both DIYers and professionals. Equipped with a robust 1,250W motor, it can produce a staggering 3.7 joules of impact energy, proficiently drilling through tough materials like concrete and brick. Its variable speed control, coupled with a reverse function, amplifies its versatility for diverse tasks. Additional features such as the SDS-Plus chuck ensure hassle-free bit changes, while its vibration reduction system and ergonomic grip ensure user comfort during prolonged use. While the drill boasts of durability and power, potential users might want to consider its noise level and weight before purchase. The Boma Waterproof Mini tea plucking machine revolutionizes tea harvesting with its battery-powered efficiency. Designed for tea farmers, this lightweight machine simplifies the intricate task of plucking tea leaves with its sharp blade and convenient collection tray. Offering speed and precision, it significantly reduces labor costs while minimizing physical strain, a common concern in traditional tea harvesting. Its waterproof feature ensures uninterrupted operation even in rainy conditions. Key attributes include its portability, clean cutting blade, collection system, and user-friendliness. For those seeking a modern solution to tea leaf harvesting, this machine promises value, efficacy, and the assurance of a 1-year warranty. The Abaco CLI seam setter with 2 X8 suction cups is an indispensable tool for professionals aligning and joining stone slabs. Designed to ensure a precise seam, this tool features 2 robust 2x8 suction cups for a firm grip and a knurled roller for gap adjustments. Ideal for countertop installers and stonemasons, its versatility extends to various stone types. Highlighted features include its potent suction capability, adjustable roller, portability, ease of use, and durable build. Offering exceptional value, this tool is not only effective but also boasts of quality assurance with its 1-year warranty. The Pony Jorgensen's canvas band clamp stands out for its robust construction and versatility in woodworking and construction tasks. Crafted from ductile cast iron, it boasts dual self-locking mechanisms ensuring secure grip. Its 2-inch wide canvas band offers ample clamping range, available in 10, 20, and 30 feet lengths. Ideal for tasks like gluing frames or clamping large wood pieces. It's equally apt for framing walls or roofs in construction. This heavy-duty clamp combines durability and efficiency, providing excellent value for its price, further fortified by a 1-year warranty. The Bosch UniversalDetect is a cutting-edge stud finder equipped with radar technology, proficient in identifying metal objects, live cables, and wooden structures up to 10 centimeters deep within walls, ceilings, and floors. This device not only ensures safety by preventing drilling mishaps, such as encountering live wires, but also aids in tasks like hanging decor or installing shelves. User-friendly, its step-by-step guide simplifies the detection process. Notable features include its detection capabilities, in-depth range, guided instruction system, and its compact design. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it offers reliability and value for its price, making it an essential tool for safe and precise drilling tasks. The Firma Pflitsch Portable electrohydraulic notching tool is an indispensable apparatus for professionals requiring precise notching in materials like pipes, profiles, and metal sheets. Driven by a hydraulic motor, this robust tool boasts an array of interchangeable blades tailored for various tasks, from notching pipes for electrical conduits to creating holes in metal sheets or deburring edges. Its user-friendly design allows for single-handed operation, and its portability ensures seamless on-site application. Some standout features include its hydraulic-powered performance, a suite of versatile blades, ease of use, portability, and sturdy build. The Leicester Examma 100 is an essential tool designed for on-site evaluation of weld seams in plastic geomembranes. Its lightweight and compact design ensures portability, while its constant tensile speed guarantees consistent results. Capable of assessing various weld seam sizes, its integrated data logger can store up to 100 results. This user-friendly tool is ideal for civil engineers seeking reliable outcomes. Its robust construction offers excellent value, further bolstered by a 2-year warranty. Overall, the Examma 100 represents a blend of precision and convenience for professionals. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.